Hi friends, it's Deanna Willison from Our Blooming Catholic Life and
The reluctant husband.
although he's not too reluctant for this one either. He says that every time. We're back to his taste testing for his mom's cheeseball recipe, and last year we tried out a couple of different kinds of Doritos to roll the Tex-Mex to roll.
Try again.
I swear I do this all the time. To roll the Tex-Mex cheese ball in. But this year there was a new option. We had simply organic white cheddar Doritos, as well as the more modern Doritos nacho cheese. If you see the blue up at the top, they are the BJ's edition, where you mix and match 2 for a certain amount, something like that. Anyway, so I'm going to take these from him. So he's going to taste test between the two the flavors that we could find. This one is USDA or organic and has no artificial colors or flavors, which is why it is not fluorescent orange. But of course he has a blindfold on, so that's not going to help him at all. We're going to taste it. We're going to taste them out plain and see what he likes, as well as I have a small sample of the cheese ball in here that's already made. This has in it green chilies, cheddar cheese, cream cheese, onion, and garlic, and maybe parsley. So we're gonna test that out.
Means I get to have cheese ball early this year.
That does mean you get to have cheese ball early this year. He had a small little taste earlier today as well. Okay, put your hands out. Everybody but you knows exactly which chips they are once you hold them up.
Is there one of each?
One of each. Oh, he's getting sneaky and sniffing them. Ugh, that's disgusting.
Can't smell much difference. They smell like a Dorito.
Okay, so they both smell like Doritos. That's success because you like Doritos.
I do, but I thought there might be a difference. All right, going with the right hand.
That was
Hits the roof of the mouth a little bit.
I was like, that's a face. I don't know if that's good or bad there. If you hear jingling, the dog is trying to figure out how to get in on this taste testing.
Tastes like offhand it tastes like a nacho cheese Dorito, but we'll see. I haven't had Doritos in a while.
Probably since last Christmas. Hi, little taste tester. Can you see our little helper here?
A little milder, doesn't quite.
Wait, what's a little milder?
The left hand is a little bit milder, doesn't sting, kind of doesn't have a reaction to the top of your mouth.
Oh, the other one had a full legit reaction. I thought like it just stuck to your mouth like peanut butter, but no. Okay.
Milder, I kind of like this one. It's not shocking.
That one was actually shocking.
I mean, it's a heavy-handed one. The one on the right hand tasted like a typical Dorito. This one's a little milder. Again, not as, in your face type of flavor.
Okay.
And again, that's one Dorito at each, but
Right, you could have gotten one that was just shaking around the bag more.
it's possible. We could have just had more on it.
Okay, hands out again.
I didn't taste a lot different though as far as flavor goes.
Yeah, with the right hand first. Turning. This has cheese ball on it.
I'm not quite sure how I'm doing this. It's a cheese ball on top, I hope.
No. There's the other one. Cheese balls on top.
There's a lot of cheese ball in that.
Oh, I'll put less next time. My bad. I mean, in fairness, the cheese ball is like baseball size and it gets rolled in crushed Doritos. So it's not an overwhelming Dorito-ness to it in the end.
It tastes like good, really good cheese ball.
So both of them with the cheese ball?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do just less cheese on it. It's really hard to just put a little bit on here.
It's really hard just to eat a little bit.
Because this one is chunky. The, quote, traditional family cheese ball. I didn't name these are the recipes that came to me. The other one's smooth, whereas this one is chunky because of the green chilies and the cheese. Okay, so right hand. That's that one. You have cheese like all over your hands. I swear I did less, but I can do less. The dog is like literally dying. He can't even look at you right now. He's so jealous. But he is at your feet should you throw any down on the ground.
Honestly, the cheese ball mutes the heavy-handed Dorito flavor. So it just kind of adds to it. So either one is actually fine.
Okay, wait, I'll do even less. Just like the one little corner in dip. Here's one.
Right hand?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead, give it a try. So I'm just doing like a little corner in dip.
Definitely tastes much more of the Dorito. The cheese ball does tamper the Dorito, but you can taste a lot. Huh?
It's a lot of cheese. It dampens the cheese of the cheese.
If you're trying to get the Dorito flavor more, you probably want to go with the right hand. If you're really dipping things and just want it to complement it, probably the left hand. But if you're rolling, I would say probably roll it in the right hand, but use the left hand one.
Okay. I had switched the hands up along the way, but you couldn't taste or have a preference when I switched them, which is really funny. But the last set was the same as the first set. Right hand had the, take your blindfold off so we can see your face. So the right hand was actually the organic.
That's the stronger one?
That had the stronger taste. And the modern Doritos you thought was mild.
Could be.
Now try it now that you can see it. See it. See if you see the same thing or your mind was playing tricks on you. He's back to sniffing them. It's so gross. Still zingy, intense.
No.
You have to choose. Oh, you can have some cheese ball too. You must choose because I can't eat the cheese ball either way. I can't have onion or garlic or green chilies. So you decide. I will just eat the cheddar cheese. Although I have had a couple Doritos during the testing period. That one says it's pure deliciousness. This one just says nacho cheese. Okay, that's it. Final decision.
I'd roll it in this one and use this one to dip.
There we go, friends. So he's going to take them both. You hear that? He's taking them both. He wants the cheese ball rolled in this one, and then he's going to dip it with this one. Okay.
You don't have to take both, but I'm just saying. I think there was more on the first chip I had, but I still think this is a slightly stronger flavor than that one, believe it or not.
Okay. There you go. The organic for the win, but we're not...
Maybe it's a sharper cheddar taste.
That's what I'm thinking. It's probably a sharper cheddar. But we're not throwing out the neon orange Doritos. That's our dipper. So they're both winners.
Chicken dinner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Well, okay, but it's a fake chicken dinner tonight.
I know.
I had a chicken dinner last night. It's Wednesday. We don't eat chicken. Thank you. God bless you, friends. Have a happy holidays. Bye.